more from New Zealand, where hope is unfortunately fading amid the debris of Christchurch. We'll hear from victims hit by the quake and talk to our people on the spot about what happens next. Plus, Libya's mad, bad strongman reckons he's staying put. See you in a tick. Matt is back with the forecast, and it sounds like things are on the improve.
Thankfully, Bill, it is looking good. We've certainly had enough of these grey skies this week. The seasonal wet weather up north won't let up just yet. In the south, we can look forward to much clearer, warmer weather, especially over the weekend. Only a few showers around today, but temps have been a few degrees below average.
For anyone watching this, there's a mouse in Charlie's cage.
13 degrees, a maximum today of 23. Ipswich range from 18 to 27.
Episode 1.
And the Gold Coast 18 to 27 there as well. There's been wet weather along the central and northern coasts too. The heaviest recording today, no good for holiday makers.
And the mouse is trying to eat Charlie's seed, but Charlie keeps defending it.
40 degrees in Maduri. Tropical cyclone Carlos is now moving away from the WA coast. It is over water.
The mouse is now eating Charlie's seed.
The strong high in the bite is causing much of our weather, pushing the wind and showers right along the east coast, but it is going to weaken and move east in coming days. So looking ahead around Australia, Sydney 26 degrees, Canberra 29, a top of 20 for Hobart, Melbourne 24, Adelaide warm there.
The mouse and Charlie are now in a steamer.
Hotter on 35, Darwin a top of 31 with those summer storms continuing. Queensland's southern and central inland will be fine, but the weather remains
There's
unsettled
Charlie.
for at least a couple of
Playing
showers
with
on
his
the
bells,
east coast.
and there's the mouse.
Widespread heavy
Oh,
rain for the
by the way,
tropics.
the mouse is gone.
Cairns 29 degrees.
And Charlie's playing with his bells.
Bundaberg and Maryborough are both aiming for 29 degrees. Further south, Thursday on the Gold Coast, better than today, though still a little
Hi,
bit.
Charlie.
You may see a few more showers at the beach as well, 19 to 27 degrees. And upper on the Sunshine Coast, it's going to be much the same. Conditions will start to improve, but still wet.
Jumped
and
over the
windy at
water.
times. A maximum of 28.
Is now in somewhere in the
Away from the
cage.
coast, the southeast regions into some lovely weather. So it's going to be cool overnight again, as well as 12 degrees in Toowoomba. 24 is the maximum there.
Now it's back in the cage, in the sea.
From 20 to 27
And there's his
degrees.
tail hanging out of
There's still a strong
out of the
wind warning in
cage.
place right along the east coast, from Cairns down to Point Danger. That includes Harvey and Moreton Bays. Conditions will ease through Thursday. Now this is good news. Showers clearing from Brisbane tomorrow, 19 to 28 degrees. From 17 to 29. Looking great by Friday.
Stay tuned for episode 2.